Got a new iHealth blood pressure monitor? Let's quickly pair it with the app so you can track your readings anytime, right from your phone. Here's how to set it up in just a few simple steps. Go to the App Store or Google Play and download the iHealth app. Once installed, open it and sign in or create a new account to get started. Turn on your iHealth blood pressure monitor and make sure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled. In the app, tap Add Device, select your monitor, and follow the instructions to pair. After pairing, your blood pressure readings will automatically sync to the app every time you measure. This lets you track, review, and share your results anytime, right from your phone. Stay on top of your health with accurate readings. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.